Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, I will be looking at the pound dollar. Now, we know that the pound has really been strengthening, outperforming the dollar over the past week and even over the course of this week. So I want to see whether the bull run for the pound dollar is still going strong, or we might see a short-term pullback, or possibly even a reversal. Right, so with that, let's dive into the charts. What I have here is the pound dollar on the daily. And I just want to do a very quick take, all right, to see that if we look at price action, there is actually a zigzag, right? Price really surpassed this previous resistance. Now it could possibly be a support, right? And where does this zigzag go to? All right, of course, if I really want to take a graphical position, then I will have to take this level here, right? All the way back in December 2019. That was the high of the pound, right? So I'm just going to put the level there first, all right, a resistance there. And then I'm going to use the zigzag, point 0.1, point 0.2, point 0.3. And we see that the price is actually coming close to this 100% level. And at the same time, the high in December 2019 is also close to 161.8. So this looks like it's a strong resistance level. However, this 100% here, or 100% is a key Fibonacci level. I like to see it tied with graphical levels. There are no graphics looking to the left. There are no graphical levels at all. So this might be a weak resistance, but still we can just keep it there to bear in mind that we might see some sort of reaction at that level. So with that, let's go down to the, okay, so like I said, price really surpassed this resistance, now turn support. We can easily put this level in and consider this our support, right? If I were to take a retracement of this whole move, okay, thinking it could be the 23%. So yes, it's quite close to the 23%. We see a negative 61 quite close to the 161.8 and the negative 27.2 there as well. Okay, so I'm just going to remove all these minor Fibonacci levels. I'm going to keep the 23%. Okay, so these are the levels that I'll be keeping. Okay, so we have the daily support. Okay, we have the week daily resistance, and of course we have the daily intermediate resistance. We'll look at the negative 27. It definitely ties in with a graphical level over here, right? It ties in with a graphical level. So what I'm thinking is could possibly see price push to this level before a small pullback, and then we hit up to this graphical high. All right, but that's still quite some time to go. So let's dive into the 4 hours. So we have the 4 hours over here. Let me just tidy things up. Okay, so over here, I'll just bring it down to the earlier level. Just want to fine tune the levels because on the daily, this is a big zone, but now that we're on the lower time frame, we want to really precise the levels, right? So we see that price is really actually on the upwards trend, right? If I connect all the lows, here we see a price tap once, came close once, tap twice, third time, okay, and looks to be holding. Okay, so we can use a retracement of this current move from the low here all the way to the high, okay, and just open up all Fibonacci ratios and just see which are the levels that line up. So 38 definitely lines up. Negative 27 is quite close to our negative 27, so the daily level is stronger, so let's take that one. So I'm just going to highlight the 38. Okay, so again, this is a very strong support level, right? It's a strong support level, and definitely we're seeing price push up to here, okay, at least to the 131.30 level. Okay, so there isn't much to there that we can see. Okay, if price, two things price can do: either go straight up here, or price can make a small pullback to the ascending trend line before making its push higher. Okay, so let's just go down to the 1 hour very quickly. Now on a 1 hour, we can actually tidy up this trend line in a nicer manner. Okay, keep it tighter. Okay, so on a 1 hour, this is what I see. There should be a level over here. Okay, I will just call this the pivot level. Okay, no buy entry, no stop loss or anything. All right, for this session. Reason is because really the momentum is so strong that if you're gonna have a buy entry, if I'm gonna put a buy entry for you guys might just miss the move completely. Okay, so pivot levels are more important. And what I mean by pivot level, basically, you see the price is already pushing high. Pivot level basically means that this is a key level that if price breaks below, we can immediately go short and play to the next support, right? If price breaks above, okay, we can go long, and as long as price is above, sorry, we can go long and go towards this target here. All right, so these are the key levels that I have for you, and even if I were to put in the in technical indicators, we are going to see that it's definitely bullish. Okay, 34 moving average. Okay, ties in very nicely, holds the trend very well, and MACD is above zero as well. All right, so thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day. Pound dollar. I wish you guys all the best. Do your own due diligence and analysis first before just blindly trading on another person's ideas. Right, and catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you.